What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, today is self-care Sunday. That's why I got my robe on and my bonnet. Well, I normally have my bonnet on anyway, but today's self-care Sunday, and I love self-care Sunday because self-care Sunday just helps me relax to get prepared for the week, so I don't smack motherfuckers during the week. You know what I'm saying? Because people be trying to play with me. Anyway, I did a thing and I want to show y'all. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So what I did was I had my oil, right? I had my body oil. This is the cocoa oil from Pink, Victoria's Secret, whichever one y'all want to call it, right? And I had some Fenty Beauty highlighter here. So what I basically did was I took the highlighter and I put it into my my bottle here. And can you see the shimmer? Because I was like, y'all know that Illuminate Me body oil from Vaseline? I was like, I want to see if I can make it. I mean, it's not expensive. It's like, what, $9? But I was like, I want to see if I could make it. You know what I'm saying? So I got some oil, did it. I did this yesterday. And it looks like this. Real pretty, real shimmery. But the problem is some of it solidified, which I don't think is a problem. All I gotta do is just shake it up. Because when I woke up, it looked like this. Because it was standing. So I guess some of it solidified, which I don't mind. All I gotta do is just shake it up again. And bam. Do y'all see the glitter? It's so good. Alright, and let me show you what it looked like on, because I did use it. Okay. So this is what it looks like on. Do y'all see the shimmer? And if not, I'll do it again. So like this is what it looks like. And then look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Do y'all see that? That is absolutely beautiful. Stunning, if you will. Because summertime is around the corner and I don't really use lotion in the summertime. I'm gonna be real with you. I use body oils and I wanted one that was going to make me glisten as a melanated black girl. And I was like, yeah, I love anything that sparkles and shimmers. Tree Hut just came out with a fragrance mist that's glittery, so I'm definitely gonna pick that up today. Yeah, I'm gonna pick that up today. I'm just trying to get like my summer products ready, you know what I'm saying, before summertime actually comes. So I have my body oils. I'm gonna get that body mist, and I'm also going to use these in the summertime. So this is my Vaseline Cocoa Shimmer Sticks. These are great to use as highlighter as well. Like you just put a little bit on. Oh my goodness. And it just looks so good in the sun. Yes. And you can literally just get that glistening look. Really, really like it. Oh, yes. And then like, it's gonna be summertime, so you're gonna be wearing, shirts and stuff like that. Shirts that are like, that show skin. You're gonna be wearing shirts that show skin, and you can just, put a little bit on here. Do you see that? Do you see that? And you can just rub it in. Look at how amazing that looks. You can't tell me you don't see that. And then you can add this too for more glittery, moisturized glisteningness. Look at that, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me. I'm getting my products together. I'm getting my body together too. It's gonna be a good summer. Definitely going to be a good summer. Now I'm just trying to rub it in. Okay. Alright, and let me show y'all. Glistening. Yes, amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I wanted to show y'all that because, you know, this was free. If you have a body oil and you have a highlighter, put it together. You know, if you didn't want to buy one, or if you don't have time to buy one, you can make your own. Also, what I'm doing for Self-Care Sunday, since it is April 1st, I am writing down some video ideas. So yeah, I'm doing some video ideas for April. And I know somebody's gonna ask, what did you use on your face? Black Girl Sunscreen, SPF 30. And like I said, they also have a lip gloss, so I'm excited for that as well. Really excited for that. And yeah, I don't really have much to say. I don't really have much to say, but a lot of y'all on my mini twist video, a lot of y'all said y'all like videos over 20 minutes, which I'm definitely grateful for, because I was like, am I talking too much in my videos? I want some feedback, you know what I mean? Because y'all are the viewers. So I was like, damn, am I talking too much? So it makes me feel good that y'all like videos over 20 minutes, because I actually enjoy doing videos over 20 minutes, but I didn't think you all liked them. So I was like, let me get some feedback. And y'all said y'all like videos over 20 minutes. So yeah, we gonna get those going, but I don't think this is gonna be one of those videos. Because yeah, today's Self-Care Sunday, you know what I mean? I need to, yeah. So I will see y'all Monday, or whenever this video comes out, because my content is planned already. So I will see y'all whenever this video come out. And comments something pink, anything pink. Give me a pink heart, because my robe is just fuchsia. I don't know, just give me something pink or purple, it don't matter. Just comment something, you know what I'm saying? Comment something, whatever you want to comment something. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.